In this video, I'm gonna upgrade my setup to make it perfect. And to make that happen, I have here all these products, with some of them are quite expensive and some others are budget friendly. So yeah, let's get started. The first upgrade I wanna do to my dream setup is installing my new GPU into my PC, but I can't. As you can see, it's super huge and it doesn't fit here on my PC case because it ain't wide enough. So what I'm going to do is basically taking it apart. Okay, now that we have it here, it looks amazing. It's a bit sad that I have to do this, but yeah, let's do it anyway. So as you can see here, we have at the left side my new PC parts, while on the right hand we have my old PC parts such as the motherboard, PSU, and so on. So moving on with the new parts, I have here the 4080 Supermaster. Here I have my old GPU, which is the 3060 Ti, and look how tiny it looks next to my new GPU. This new PC case is called the Entech C8. It's super big and it's well designed. I think it's going to do a very good job. Next to these 10 fans, which I'm gonna use here, which are not regular fans, are high performance fan. As you can see, they have very good spec. They move a lot of air. So I'm gonna use the Newly AIO with the screw, a screen here included. And I will control it with the software. I can put my logo on it and so on. Okay guys, so I have everything ready to start building this PC. So with no further ado, let's get started and enjoy this build. Okay guys, so I just finished building my brand new PC and now it's time to turn it on and see if it really works. And to be fair, I'm really concerned about if it's going to work or not, mainly because of this brand new GPU, and also if this cable, for example, it gets burned or it catches on fire. I don't know, many things can go wrong. I also gotta say that all these parts were working perfectly fine. So yeah, let's turn it up and see what happens. Okay, now the PSU is on, and as you can see here, we see the motherboard is on also. Okay, this is loading. Anyways, I gotta turn it on. Let's see what happens. Okay, BIOS logo here, that's a good sign. This shit is noisy. Oh my god, GPU drivers aren't on. And fuck, my keyboard isn't working. Okay guys, so after having to deal with some problems with the PC, I finally was able to solve everything. I will show you in the end of the video how it looks like. But first, I have here my next upgrade. I have a new monitor. So basically my main monitor is 120Hz and this one is 240Hz, and this top monitor is only 1080p. So I want to put this monitor here on the top and this my new monitor here as my main one. This way I will have the same resolution and the windows and wallpaper will look better. So yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so I just finished installing my monitor, but as you can see, now I'm going to put this black tape at the back of my monitors to fix the light between them. As you can see there, with this black tape, I'm going to fix that. So now that my monitors are perfectly aligned, as you can see, and with all the accessories installed, let's go underneath my desk and fix my power strip. So first, let's take it off and put it here. Okay, so on the right side, you can see my old power strip, and here on the left side, it's my new one. So the main issue with this power strip is that I was running out of sockets. So as you can see here, I have 2 extra sockets more and 1 USB more, and also I have here this line where I can turn it off or on.
and another extra line. So I can basically put here all the main stuff such as my monitors or PC, and on the other line the products which I don't really need that often, for example such as the RGB strips or some accessories. So yeah, now let's install it. And also this power strip is not going to fall anymore, because here, as you can see, it has these two holes which I'm gonna screw to my table, and basically it's going to be fully secure onto my desk. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I just finished installing my new power strip and it's fully secure, as you can see. And now it's time to finish upgrading my setup with these small products which are budget friendly, so they might interest you. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's go through all these products. Starting with this is a headset stand which I'm going to stick there on my drawer in order to save some space on my desk. Secondly, I have here this Xbox charging stand, and it includes a battery pack which you can put in your Xbox controller, and then you just put this controller on the stand and it will charge automatically. Also, I have here this USB Xbox dongle which I will connect to my PC, and this reduces the latency a lot. It feels like you are using the controller with a cable. For example, when I was using the controller with the Bluetooth connection, it was a bit laggy. So yeah, this might be a good combo. Secondly, I have here a charging stand which I'm going to put underneath my desk here, and this is basically to charge all my devices, and it's quite fast. Now here I have my new microphone, which is like the newer version of the one I had before. Next thing is my 3D LED clock, which all the tech stalkers use on their setup, and I got it on black, and it basically has many functions like a clock, alarm, and this I will put it right here on the top. So basically my PC looks taller and the layout fits better with my vertical monitor, which is super high, as you can tell. So yeah, this will fit pretty well. So yeah, let's start it. Okay guys, so I was going to show you the final result, but I got this today and it's my new boom arm for the microphone. So let's install it quickly and then I will show you the result.